Breaking news. 2 killed after gunman opens fire on Mandeville taxi. The Manchester police have launched a double murder investigation after a gunman reportedly opened fire on a taxi in Mandeville, killing 2 people. Preliminary information indicates that the victims were traveling in the public passenger vehicle when the attacker discharged several rounds in their direction. The injured occupants were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Their identities have not yet been officially released, and investigators have not disclosed a suspected motive for the attack. Detectives are processing the available evidence and seeking information that could help identify the gunman. Before this latest shooting, Manchester had recorded 15 murders between January 1st and July 11, 2026, compared with 18 during the corresponding period in 2025. Anyone who witnessed the attack or has information that could assist investigators is being urged to contact the Mandeville police. Crime Stop at 311, the police emergency number at 119, or the nearest police station. This remains a developing story. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.